Do you have a lot of jumper wires laying around and have no way to store them? Fear not, because you can 3D print the solution at home in under an hour. Hello and welcome to the first episode of Cool 3D Prints, where I show you awesome and useful 3D printed objects. In this episode we'll take a look at the jumper wire organizer uploaded by Perinsky on Thingiverse. The printer used is an Ender 3 Pro and took 42 minutes with a print speed of 15 mm per second. The layer height is 0.2 mm. The material used is PLA. You'll need about 3 grams or 1.06 meter in total for one piece. The estimated cost at 20 euros per kilo is 6 cents. There is no support used and the build plate adhesion type was a brim. Before using the piece, I would recommend sanding the gaps with some sanding paper, as they can damage the wires if they are too narrow. You can also print 2 of them and connect them together with the holes on the bottom to make a rack. Thank you for watching and goodbye.